Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today, we're going to have a look at another product from TacticalEdged.Dojo. This is a set of throwing knives. It's called the Steel Wolf. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member for exclusive content. Thanks a lot. A shout out to TacticalEdged.Dojo for sending this to me. Previously, I reviewed their Spike Z, which is this beauty over here. Comes with a Kydex sheath, really lethal looking throwing knife. It is a throwing spike. Do check out the link in the card above or description below for a review of this throwing spike. But right now, we are going to check out another set of knives. In fact, this is not a single spike or knife. It is a set of 3. I'm actually pretty excited about it. So it comes in this nice packaging, which I think is a great gift box. You get some product literature in the silver stamped kind of finishing. Hard to read, but quite classy. Nice gift set overall, I would say. And then here you have kind of the generic box, and what they do is they put this kind of sponge cutouts to fill in the space. So I think that's a practical solution. And you get 3 of these knives. So that's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. All right, let's just open one first. I have kind of just had a look at one. Now they do come with these protectors. It actually popped off inside, but that's a rubber protector for the tip. Now the tip is not particularly like sharp. It's not sharp, but it's definitely pointed and could definitely pierce. So that's the knife over here. This is the Steel Wolf. Not Wolf. Not sure why I said that, but it's a Steel Wolf. And let's get all these unwrapped and let's have a look at them together. And here you have all 3 knives unwrapped. I personally like this design. It looks quite unique, and when I feel it, definitely you feel that nice weight and profile. It's pretty well balanced as well, and we'll know when I actually bring it outside to give it a throw. But in terms of the aesthetics, the fit and finish, and just that initial impression, I think these are very handsome and very nice knives. Let's talk about some specifications first, and then I'll talk about what I feel about my knives. What I feel about the knives. So the length is 8.94 inches or 22.7 centimeters. The width is 0.94 inches or 2.4 centimeters, and the thickness is 0.24 inches or 6 millimeters. So really nice and thick, very chunky. The material is 5CR13 stainless steel. It's a decent tough steel, and the weight is 170 grams or 6 ounces. So it is a solid chunk of metal. It does feel sturdy. I think it's really gonna take flight. So good weight, and I think this would work very well for spin or no spin throws. Overall, in terms of my first impressions, I like the aesthetic. I think the fit and finish and just the way it's designed, and you can see there's a bit of a kind of the bevel in both the blade edge here and the tip. Now this is not sharp, this is completely blunt. So while it looks kind of like a scalpel, it is blunt. It's only the tip which is very pointed and sharp. You've got 3 grooves here, really more for aesthetics. And I think it's nice as well, depending if you're right-handed or left-handed. If it makes a difference to you, you want to know which side you're throwing. Let's say you are into blindfolded knife throwing and you want to know which side to hold, you can use this as a marker. If not, just nice design. Now, in the product description, they say it was inspired by Wolverine's claws. So I guess you could kind of do that if you are into Wolverine. And you can see, yeah, definitely there is that look. So I can see where they're going for, and yeah, just nice. All right, so overall, my impressions as a set of throwing knives, I think in terms of the aesthetic appeal, the materials, the fit and finish, and the overall just the feel, I think this is pretty solid. But let's bring this out to my yard. I'm gonna throw it in my knife throwing board, and then I'll give you my final thoughts out there. I am in my outside area. That's the target board behind. I've got the 3 steel wolf knives here. So I'm gonna do some no spin throws and just see how they throw. Let's go for the left side of the board. Let's go for the right side of the board this time. Let's do top center. And let's do bottom center. Last one didn't stick, let's try again. And let's end off in the center. So here we have the last 3 positions where the knife stuck in. Now that goes in pretty well, and this is of course a very soft board. I was throwing about 8 to 10 feet away, no spin technique. I found that if I were to hold it back this way, more towards the end, that felt better just due to the balance that would naturally just allow it to swing over and stick into the board. If you try it too high up, it would force a spin. So move it back, and that was quite perfect. I just could let it fling off and it would just naturally, because of the weight and the balance, it would just no spin and directly stick in, and all pretty straight, I must say, with all the throws. Overall, in terms of performance, and I should mention I'm no expert knife thrower, I found that just the balance and the design worked very well in sticking. So I would say one of the higher percentage knives that stick, at least for me. So that's pretty good if you are into knife throwing. In terms of damage, nothing there. Wouldn't expect so. This is 5CR13. It should be stainless steel as well, but I would still keep it dry. Overall, I think this set of steel wolf knives from TacticalEdged.Dojo is great. You can check it out. I believe they are sold out right now on the website, but check them out. You can send them an email or have a look at the catalog of different knives. They've got so many different designs of throwing knives. I'm sure you'll find something you like. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.